Hello, I have a new product today. This is the Wind tire inflator, a portable smart tire inflator. This is the Ventus Pro. So this is what the box looks like. We're gonna open it up, see what it looks like, and then hopefully inflate a thing. Be prepared for any emergency on the road. 5 quick presets, auto shut off, integrated flashlight, rechargeable battery, palm-sized pump, and 12-volt car power cord. This looks rather big for handheld. Yeah, I'm just kidding. The big ones are like that big, and this one fits in your hand. So we're gonna open this up. Maybe I'll place a few things on the table just to show everything alongside each other before we take everything out of the box. So here we go. Ready? All right. Box. Some paperwork. The other thing. Let's see. So it opens up just like so. Here we have the pump itself. And that looks like this. Cool. We'll turn that on in a second. Let's just check everything else in the box. Looks like we have that car power cord, a long one, and it plugs in 12 volt, so over there, like that, to charge it, or to run while on it. Here's the main tube. So this goes in here. Then we got a bag for storage, some extra pieces for the different types of inflatables, and a USB-C charging cable. Pretty simple stuff. No, I'm just gonna keep this one. All right, so this one, ooh, let's take this off first. All right, let's throw that to the side. Does this have charge on it? So it'll turn on just by pressing this middle button. Boop. There we go. Wow, that's a nice bright screen. Some really nice rubber buttons. This is a solid feeling. It's all metal. Nice. What did I drop? I dropped the tube. So let's screw this in. And I have something to inflate that I'll bring over here in a second. Okay, so there's a bunch of settings I could go through, but I'm just going to go through the simple one. Let's see if anything else in here. So that just increases that. Okay, KPA, kg per. So this is like the different measurements, I suppose. PSI. Let's just do PSI, and I want to. Oh, what does that do? That changes. Oh, car, motorcycle, bike, basketball, person. So if I wanted to inflate myself, that's up. No, I'm kidding. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, and then we could like decrease the amount from there. All right, cool. So I happen to have a wheel right here. This is my electric skateboard wheel. Seems to be running flat. Where's that going from? I hear air escaping somewhere. I'll have to discover. But for right now, we're just gonna fill this up. You like my little wheel cap? Okay. So to fill up, we just screw onto the end there. This will work just fine. Just screw it on like that. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then, I don't think this tire will need to go all the way up to 38 PSI. What does it say? It says 195 kilopascals, so 28 PSI. All right, let's put it to a 28 PSI. Boop, boop, boop. All right, there we go. And then, I guess, let's press the power button. And that's at 28. That was fast. Okay, and then just unscrew that. And you can see the battery changed a little bit. So this probably only has a few wheels or tires in it. Maybe you can do your entire car once before it needs to be recharged. I'm not exactly sure, but let me see if there's any air escaping here. I don't hear anything. So let's put our tire cap thingy back on. What are these things called? Wheel caps? Inflator tube caps? I don't know. It's giving me trouble. Anyway, I like this. It's really neat. Feels very portable. It's got this nice bag. Rechargeable, will fit in your glove compartment. I really like it. Nice and solid, really durable. And it only has maybe charge for a few wheels, but that's fine. I only need to, you know, inflate a few tires at a time, and then I can recharge it. Then turn it off. Nice and simple. All right, I'm gonna unscrew this, and I guess what I can do is just put all the peripherals in this bag, throw it in the car, you know? Real simple. Come here, you. All right, those are my thoughts on this portable tire inflator. I'm going to use it for my bike, my car, my electric skateboard. Maybe if I find a ball that I like to play sports with, I'll do that too. Anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think. I'll see y'all next time.